Group life insurance is a common employer perk. Let's look at how it works and what it means for your financial planning. It is called group insurance because a single master policy covers an entire group, usually the employees of a specific company. Most employers automatically provide a basic level of coverage, often equal to your annual salary, as a benefit of your employment. The biggest advantage is simplicity. There are no health questions to answer, making it accessible regardless of your medical history. While group plans are convenient, individual policies offer more control and stay with you even if you switch jobs. Group insurance is typically much cheaper, but individual policies allow you to lock in rates for decades regardless of where you work. Think of group coverage as a safety net, but consider if you need extra protection based on your specific family situation. Check with your HR department to see your specific policy details. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more money basics.